Why bother, as that is the environment I put myself in? I did get a lot of stress, constant burnouts. I had apathy, the constant thought of what is the point of trying to be better? Why bother? It's too much effort. I have no more energy left in me to do one more thing that is only going to fall apart anyways. Whether I wanted to or not, as mentioned before, if I did not get better, I would be forced to get better or perish gently by Mother Nature and the universe. And so finally I realized that this not so constructive pattern and decided to improve slowly, one thing at a time, one day at a time, before I let the universe nudge me into the deep end of immediate improvement. I learned to embrace change with a positive mindset of only better to come. I listened deeply and I did the bidding of micro positive improvements. Now I'm not suffocating or struggling, but rather able to plod along at a somewhat comfortable pace with some level of ease and experiencing joy in the process. Life is still not perfect, but it sure is a lot better than it was before, and so it can be for you too. If you just introspect, make one tiny positive change each day, and soon enough, when you look back in a year's time, you will be a much more grounded and happier version of yourself from the year before. Life really does become a lot more simple, manageable, and less stressful by making those tiny improvements on a daily basis. What are your thoughts on these? Would love to hear from you in the comments below. Thanks for being a part of the Simple Vegan Being community. Till next week, plant strong, animal love, planet peace. I shall readjust.